Hey guys, today I'd like to talk to you about how can you make any car into a Bluetooth speaker. So let's get to it. Before we do that, my car stinks, so I'm gonna need some kind of air refreshener or some kind of thing that kind of clears this air out because it stinks. Let's do it. That's better. Park next to a really nice car. Do you want to see? Look at that. Okay, so maybe you've got an older car like I have, where there is no Bluetooth option, there is no aux port, there's no USB port, there's nothing to connect your phone to. You can only play CDs, and you know, you're restricted to what you can do. Now I have a solution for you, how you can make your car into a Bluetooth speaker and even answer calls via Bluetooth system, and it will only cost you less than £20 or $20. Do you want to know what it is? It's this little thing over here. Let me show you. So this over here, can you see that? That little thing here makes my car into a Bluetooth speaker. You don't believe me? Okay, let me show you. Okay, now this little thing has... Did you hear that? So basically, this little thing is turned on over here. So this little thing just goes into a cigarette... So this little thing goes into a cigarette lighter. So just put it in there. Pop it in. Boom. What this is called is an FM transmitter. So basically all you need is a car that has a radio, and if your radio works, it all works, and also you need a cigarette lighter that gives power out, or just that works. So basically this little thing here sends signal through radio waves and then sends a certain frequency to the car. So at the moment in the car I have tuned to 87.5 megahertz, and if I'm tuned on the radio I can see that it's linked on this little device over here, 87.5 megahertz. And now let me just go and put some music on. Go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone, connect to that T11, which that is. Did you hear that? Paired. And now I can go YouTube, right? Look at this now. Is to go closer to the subject. So I'm gonna let my subject appear from the frame. See? It's connected. And even the buttons on the car actual steering wheel, volume down, volume up. In the background. Okay. So at the moment this is probably like 3 meters from the subject, and boom! And your car is a Bluetooth speaker. You don't have to listen to CDs, but actually you can listen to Spotify on your car, Amazon Music, Apple Music, anything you want. Is that cool or not? Now listen, this only costs around 16 to 20 pounds. There's even cheaper ones available. I don't recommend you go with the cheaper one. Go with like a bit more expensive one. Just check the link in the description. There's one that I recommend that you should get, which is good and works for me. I like it. So if you have an older car, maybe like me, this is my car behind there, not that one. No, that's not my car. Good old bangers. This is a very cheap way to listen to music and kind of free up your options how you can listen to music in the car. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Remember, if you aren't subscribed already, then hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, leave a like, and do you know what? To end this video, let's read some comments that people have been leaving. So Till Williams says, so you are reviewing a pair of broken headphones. Not really a good review, then is it? Review a pair of broken Bose ones and you will come up with the same worst headphones answer. Well, let me explain. If a company sends me an email and says, would you like to review our awesome headphones? I say, sure. And if I review they're broken, they're the worst headphones in the world. If Bose sends me in headphones and says, look, we've got these really good headphones and I'm going to review them and they're going to be pants, then they're going to be the worst headphones in the world. Shadow Spirit PW says, I'm the 500th like Also, nice video. Well, thanks, Shadow Spirit. Maui Masashi, I remember you, says, great, thanks for the review. Well, thank you for the great comment. Thank you very much. So here's a comment by Weiswurstesse. Says, tests on rats have confirmed that 3G and 4G radiation causes cancer. Tests on Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz and Bluetooth bands are currently ongoing. Tracy Street says, the pants, question mark. This is, if you've heard me say in one of my videos that things are pants, or that just this thing is pants, then what it actually means is that they're rubbish. In Northern England, what we used to say here is when something's bad or rubbish, you say it's pants. And by pants, we don't mean trousers, but actually underwear. In England, when you say pants, it's actually meant underwear. In America, pants are just trousers. That Reyes family says, great video, bro. Well, thanks, that Reyes family. I appreciate your comment. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this was helpful for you. Elysium X says, I can see your channel going far, dude. Good production quality. Wanna improve your scripts a bit. Well, it's a good comment, but you know, kinda dropped it there, didn't he? Like, wanna improve your scripts. Anyway, guys, if you want your comments to be in the end of the video, then leave a comment below and come on, write something funny. Make me laugh. Come on, I dare you to. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to check out the link in the description where you can find this little thing, how you can make your car into a Bluetooth speaker for only £20. Okay, see you later.